Hello everybody, my name is Infiniti and welcome to day 16 of Vlogust. If you don't know, I'm the face and the voice behind all the content under Infiniti Crafting Co. Today is Sunday, it's a chill day. I don't have a lot of really meaty topics to talk about. Today is going to be a day full of crafting for me. I got a nice late start, though our grass man scared me out of my sleep. I don't know, guess he ran something over in the yard and it hit up against my window and just scared me. Anyway, so aside from that, today has been a great and relaxing day. So I've been working on my dress today, which is over on the other side, and I'm planning on finishing the scarf that's on my bigger Centro machine. Last night I got around to recording this week's Centro knitting machine tutorial, which will be for my towel toppers, which I have been trying to plan out since February, so this is bound to be fun. I'm looking forward to editing that video and posting it. I was having such a great time last night until, me being me, I was disconnecting my yarn from a project and I was looking dead at my hand, so I don't really know how I did it, but I managed to cut myself with my scissors. So we'll have a special guest for the next few tutorials, unfortunately. But anyway, I don't have a whole lot of updates. I do want to thank you guys, my community, for just being so full of love and just being there here, especially here lately. I've just gotten such an influx of positive comments and so much love, and I just appreciate it so much. You guys really make my day when I get to read these comments. I just think it's so cool. I just think it's so cool. So thank you guys for being around and being here with me. Let's see, what else did I manage to get done? I managed to bind all of my scrunchies, almost all of my scrunchies. So I made my post on Instagram earlier, and I think it was the video reel. I think it was the video reel of it. And then after I had that scheduled last night, I got up and I started binding them. So I only have 4 sets left to do, and I'm excited about that. I need to strip up more paper, but you know what, I just kind of outdid myself yesterday, so I put the X-Acto knife down, even though I didn't cut myself with the X-Acto knife. I cut myself with the scissors, which is something I never do, but I guess it happens to all of us, I'm still not over it. But I will get done with those last 4 sets of scrunchies today, and then I'll store them. So I have a whole bin full of scrunchies now, and I'm just going to put them down for a while. Now, like I said in a previous video, I do plan on going back and making a tutorial for the ones that I make on the Centro machine. I thankfully have already recorded the crochet tutorial, so those are going to be some upcoming tutorials. And I think after I do this video, I'm going to sit back, I'm going to do a little bit of planning and decide what I want to record next. One of my next stitch tutorials is the loop stitch. I do have the swatch here. I did it in a couple different colors, and I actually like this color combination. It's like I think it's the pale yellow and then it's the lavender, and so I want to actually make a project with these 2 colors, not specifically with this stitch. This is this is a little extra, but I do want to make a project with those 2 colors because I think they're so light and fun, and they just make me think of summer or fair weather. So we're going to do that. I know some people have been wondering where I have been on my personal social media. I kind of disappeared, and it has been completely on purpose. So for everybody who is following me on my personal pages, I have been mostly working my brand pages. I just wanted to step back, especially with all the stuff that's been going on, and realizing some things about people that I have on my pages. I just kind of stepped back and have become a ghost, and I decided to put all my time and energy in my business page, and there is nothing wrong with that. I don't feel bad about it. So but I will hopefully get back into making art, because I probably haven't picked up a paintbrush or a pencil since I submitted my portfolio back at the beginning of July or the end of June, one of the 2. So I want to do that just to get back into practice. It's not that you lose your skills per se, but you can get out of practice. So I just want to keep my skills kind of sharp. I might doodle in my sketchbook at some point, but it's not at the top of my list right now. You know what, not this week, but next week on the 24th. That is the first day of school for me, and I am looking forward to it, but I'm also kind of dreading it because I've been doing almost nothing since what was it, mid-March, since spring break. You know, having all this time at home, I've just been chilling, and I've gotten in a mood of chilling, and I'm just like, why must it end? But I am looking forward to it. It'll be my first semester in university, so it's bound to be an interesting experience. Getting all my stuff together for university has been really interesting. I have been missing doing yarn hauls, actually. So I'm thinking after I get settled in to the flow of school and kind of get over some of the tuition stuff, I think I'm going to do one just to treat myself. Maybe I'll do one in November. I think that'll be good because my birthday is in November and I can treat myself. So that would line up perfectly, absolutely perfectly. I've been wanting to go to Furls for a minute because they have been releasing these really pretty hooks. If you guys don't know, I got I think it's the cream. I don't think it's cookies and cream. I think it's just the cream ones. But I got these hooks, and they're so bright on my camera. But I got these, and I love this. But they have some very pretty, vibrant ones that I want to get. And I'm like, oh, if I can get one of each color at each size, that would be perfect. But I am a total crochet hook junkie. And I'll be showing off my collection, I think, later this week. I think I have that video planned for later this week. I have so many crochet hooks, and I'm sure people have more than I do. I can see how that could happen. But I do have quite a few, and then I'm going to talk about my favorite ones later this week. So yeah, that was pretty much it today. I don't have much. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I don't really have much of an update for you guys. Just today's going to be chill. I'm going to be crafting for the most part and just kind of kicking back. And I'll come back tomorrow with more content. And until tomorrow, happy making.